solar companies, I'm Bill from EnergyBin. Today I'm here to give you tip number 7 from our series 10 tips for buying wholesale solar equipment. In our last video, we recommended that you maintain an accurate and up-to-date inventory list. Today's tip goes hand in hand with that advice. Ready for it? Here it is. Keep your stockroom or warehouse clean and organized. In addition to clean inventory records, maintain an organized storage space. You don't want to get into a situation of your database showing inventory in stock, but you can't find it in your warehouse. Establish organization systems that work for you and train your employees to uphold it. You may also want to plan a semi-annual or annual inventory count to closely manage any variations in your records. Usually companies plan to conduct physical counts prior to reordering. Inventory counts are always a way to verify the accuracy of your inventory turnover. That's our wholesale buying tip for today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get more tips and resources about buying and selling wholesale solar equipment. To learn more about EnergyBin, the B2B solar equipment trading community, visit our website or give us a call today.